Hey everybody, it's Kate with Crate Insider, and today I want to take a look at what is new at Crate Insider for July of 2024. I've got some great products laid out on the table here, and let's just go ahead and start off with our body bolts. So we've got this kit right here where it's a countersunk bolt kit. These are, we've got some Allen heads on the tops of these, and this allows you to countersink, oops, there we go, guess we have got two of them there. There we go. To countersink your body bolts. I mean, just a really nice, fresh look for you. And these are available. We've got a kit of 50 of them. It looks like 1/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch, and these run $69.99 for this whole set of 50 of them. So this is new here at Crate Insider. We do have some other body bolt kits and some body washers that are on our shelves, but this one was requested. Speaking of another request, we also have some new rivets that we've added to the collection, because for a long time we've had small head and medium head rivets, but now we have some large head rivets, and that we've got those in both silver and we have them in black. And each of these is a kit of 250 pack of these, and they run $51.99 for the black ones or $46.99 for the silver ones. So those are our rivets. So I don't know how exciting that is, but we do have these items now. Next up, I also want to mention we've added on to our header selection as well. Now, these aren't items that we have on our shelves. For any of our guys who run asphalt, we have added a whole selection of asphalt headers and tailpipe kits, and you can find them over here on our website, and we will get those shipped right out the door to you. So really excited about adding those items from ProFab, and you can find them, of course, on our website. Back to the items that we have on the countertop here. We've added now a pit tuning filter from our friends at Walker Performance. So this small filter, great for using at the track when you're trying to tune your race car and you don't want the big filter in your way. Then the pit tuning filter is perfect for that. And so we've got these now. We just bought these. And then also we added the dry media filters a while back. And then the question is, okay, we know we can clean them, but what do we clean them with? And of course you can use your standard cleaners, but now we also do have our dry media filter cleaning spray right here. So we've got this available, and now you've got the perfect thing to be able to wash your filters with and to try to keep them in the best shape possible, because of course we want to clean them so we can keep the dirt out of them. So those are our new items for July of 2024. If you have a request, feel free to drop it into the comments wherever you're seeing this video. Feel free to share, and I want to thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.